how to use cucumber to fight against end-stage kidney disease. I am Dr. Luis Vasquez, broadcasting from Guadalajara, Mexico. Make sure to completely wash the cucumber with the skin, with the peel. So don't peel it off. Just brush it with a lot of water, and sometimes on the market they put wax on the peel of a cucumber for some reason that I don't understand. Okay, so in order to wash out this wax, use water, a bunch of water, and sodium bicarbonate or vinegar. So wash it out. Okay, now that it's clean, you can blend with the peel. Okay, in small pieces, of course. I mean, that's pretty obvious. And add lemon juice and water. So you're gonna fix for yourself a cucumber water, which is fantastic to increase the function of your kidneys. Believe me, you've got to believe me on this. Cucumber functions as, or works as, a magnificent diuretic, and it washes out or cleans out from your bloodstream urea, creatinine, and many other toxins. If you guys want to change your life, you gotta change your nutrition and the way you eat. There's no other way. Back in the 40s and 50s, there was no end-stage kidney disease as we see it today. Nowadays, it is so common that it is kind of sad, disappointing, and it really drives me crazy and mad to see so many people. I want to help them. I want to help you. That's why I'm giving you free of charge all these remedies. Subscribe, channel, comment, and if you want an evaluation by myself, I would be delighted. Give us a text and WhatsApp, and I'll reach out to you. Stay healthy.